Okay, and we are back after 14 crashes last night. It's the next day, and this is the total devastation it did. Just complete annihilation to my computer. 14 crashes took me all night, and I'm running on 96% memory. It's not that good. I really don't like going up in the 90s. I don't even like going in the 80s. Much less the 50s. I gotta take care of that problem. And then, like, this area is just, like, destroyed. Sorry for the lag sometimes. It's just the 90% memory, and I lagged. But yeah, this is the destruction that I caused with 7,722 TNT. If you want to check that video out, you can watch the video on our channel. And I think that'll work out nicely. Till next time.